you want an easier way to get in and out of your Jeep JK Wrangler, today we're going to be installing a set of these Smittybilt Deluxe Sport grab handles into our 2012. See how easy it is to hop in and out. These Smittybilt Deluxe Sport grab handles feature a cross-stitch tough nylon web material that's going to increase durability and last the life of the Jeep. Features a strong foam padded handle, meaning that getting in and out isn't going to hurt your hands and give you a nice soft touch. This is going to secure with a molded UV stable cover, meaning that it won't fade in the sun when you've got the top off of your Jeep. It's sold in a pair, so let's get it installed on our JK Wrangler and see how easy it is to hop in and out. All right guys, so we're inside the Jeep and I want to show you guys exactly how to put this on because it will vary from Jeep to Jeep, and just so that you do it the right way and have a nice secure handle. So we're in a 2012 two-door and we've got some roll bar padding right above us here. This is where the handle is going to mount. Now you're going to make sure that the flat side with the steel buckle is facing outside of the Jeep, and what you're going to do is slide this over the roll bar, and then you're going to wrap this around through that buckle and then come up underneath and strap it on. So let me show you how to do this and show you how it looks as well. Little tip is to actually flatten these out before you put it in. That way you don't have to reach up there and try and fight them. So now we're going to put it through that metal section. Get the same for the front. I'm just going to roll it over there and loosely get it on there. That way it doesn't fall off. Same one up here. Just going to get that wrapped around. Now the goal is to get this mounted where it's comfortable for you. So that's all personal preference. You've also, if you have a soft top, got a little bit of interference here with that channel, but I think here, just about a good spot for it. So I'm gonna hold the top and pull that as tight as I can. Just wrap it right around the back. Do the same up here. And there you have it. That's really sturdy. Let's see if you think I can hold me. I gotta be quite honest with you guys, with that foam padding around here and just the way it mounts, this thing is like, it's actually really sturdy for being all nylon construction, no hard bolts or anything. It's a simple strap installation, so I'd highly recommend it. It actually works really nicely. On top, it's gonna be UV protected, which is pretty neat because some of these will really fade if you have them out in the sun. So overall, it's a really cool grab handle. It'll fit 2 doors, 4 doors. If you've got, an older Jeep, trying to get something to make it easier getting in and out for you and your passengers, it's gonna be a great fit for you. All right guys, well that's a wrap. These Smittybilt Deluxe grab handles are installed in our 2012. They look awesome. They're extremely sturdy. They're made of a really nice material, plus the foam on the inside, just an added level of comfort for when you get in and out of here, especially if you've got a lifted vehicle. So it's nice to grab onto something soft and have a really firm place to grab a hold of, just jump in your Jeep. Now these are sold in pairs and you can find them right here at cjponyparts.com.